Kita pa. So, we are here to install the Michelin wiper blade from Costco on our Tesla Model Y. So,
Straight to the top, never going down, don't wait for the drop. Never stand still, that's the motto. Yeah. Brand new bands for the auto. Foot to the ground, full throttle. Big energy for the night like lotto. Yeah. Boom.
so at first, when you open the wiper, when you open the wiper, there's a 3-piece adapter for the wiper. There is a installed one. So how do we remove this? First, you need to press this part. It says press here, and then pull it up, and then you need to pull it up again, and that's it. It's pulled out. Next, what you're gonna do is, to get this, there is a letter C on the adapter. So what you're gonna do is pull this up, and then remove this cover. Okay, remove this cover. Next, put it on the wiper blade with this part and snap it in like this, and you put it here. Come in, slide it in. Ay, sorry. Slide it in like that, and it's done. That's it. Okay, and that's how you do it. Don't forget to remove the cover on both sides, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and click the bell button. Thank you.